Recline the front seat back. Make sure the airbag tag of the seat cover is aligned with the safety belt of the front seat. Lift the headrest. Unzip the seat cover and open the top of the cover. Put the seat cover on. Pull the seat cover downward. Tuck the seat cover under the seat. Use the stick from the toolkit to tuck it. Untie the original cloth of the seat and fold it up. Pull the seat cover backward. Stick the top of the cover. Make sure the bar under the cushion cover turn towards outside. Cover the seat cushion. Tuck the cushion cover and adjust it until it fits tightly. Use the stick from the toolkit. Tuck the side of the cushion cover under the power seat. Pass the straps to the back. Pull the cushion cover backward. Put the straps through the buckles. Pull the buckles forward until it's tight. Fold the original seat back cover up between the seat back cover provided. Then stick the seat cover on the bottom. Tie the hooks from the toolkit at the straps and the bottom together. Hang the hooks at the bottom with any original plate or structure. Grab the zips together at the bottom and zip it up. Put the bottom of the zip under the cover. Put the headrest cover on. Stick at the bottom. Repeat procedures on the passenger seat. Remove the headrests of the back seats. Pass the back seat cover through the seatbelt and fully cover the back seat. Pass the cover through the safety belt and cover the side. Push down the seat covers on the passenger seat. Remove the headrests of the back seats. Pass the back seat cover through the seat belt and fully cover the back seat. Pass the cover through the safety belt and cover the side. Push down the seat cover with the stick below the headrest bases. Tuck the cover under the seat back. Draw the original string out and repeat the procedures. The bottom of the seat cover will be stuck under the seat. Push down the seat cover below the original hooks. Then tuck the cover under the seat. Tuck the cover under the seat. Adjust it to fit well. Tuck the cover under the seat and push the bar upward. Push down the seat cover below the original hooks. Tuck the cover under the seat. Then fold the bottom of the seat cover upward to stick it inside. Fold the bottom of the seat cover upward to stick it inside. Open the under-seat storage and put the bar through it. Pull the seat cover through and tuck the bar below the under-seat storage. Tuck the bar between the seat and the storage. Repeat procedures. Make sure the hole is aligned with the string. Fully cover the storage cover and adjust it to fit well. Stick the straps and close it. Tuck the smaller cushion cover under the seat. Lift the cushion and cover the side. Pull the cushion cover outward. Put the straps through the buckles and tie them. Stick the cover at the bottom. Tuck the cover and the straps under the seat. Lift the cushion and pull the cover outward. Cover the side. Pull the cushion cover outward. Put the straps through the buckles and tie them. Then stick the cover at the bottom. Tuck the seat cover under safety belt buckle. Make sure the hole is aligned with the button. Cover the headrests and stick them at the bottom. Put the headrests back